Hello everyone. Here we are with our summer program for young kids. So this is the program mainly focused on young children of age group 8 to 12 years, and then a lot of artwork involved in this. So the reason why we have chosen this group is this is the group who are mainly sensitive to the socialization and outside environment, and working with this group and then imbibing the value system, imbibing the good habits, and bringing in the cultural values and through the art program is our aim. So this is our third batch. We have started this healing art therapy program in 2018 with 3 kids, and then here we are with our third batch. We could not do this summer program because of the COVID intensity in the last summer. So we are excited to look forward to a nice, excited group of children who love doing art. So coming to the subject matter, we are looking at it as a healing art. It's not that we are going to teach your kids how to pencil sketch or the skill of the art. Here mainly, more than the skill, we are looking at it as an emotional expression art, especially kids who are less verbally expressive, and then kids who are little bit on the shy side and inhibited, and the kids who are not very kind of verbally expressive kind of kids. This is the best way of teaching them how to express their feelings in the art form. So here we have selected important themes for the children. We have mixed the important life skills where we can teach along with this, combining with this art therapy. So we have chosen themes of training the children in their communication and classroom presentation skills. And then we have looked at how children can recognize a good touch from the bad touch and how they can handle it, and how to handle the teasing and bullying. And then we are also especially looking at how to express their impulsive and anger and negative emotions. See, most of the times when I see the adult clients also expressing the negative emotions is such a difficult, lack of, more than difficult, it is a lack of skill. So the earlier that we kind of train our children in expressing these feelings, it helps them to kind of verbalize their negative emotions, and then it's easy for them to sail through the ups and downs of their difficult periods. So especially we give focus on the children who are, who can benefit the most is every child who loves art, but still under that, specifically it can benefit more for children who are having issues with the hyperactivity and lack of attention, who are not able to focus, decreased concentration, memory issues, and then having slow in working memory. See, this working memory is very important. As the name says, the memory, as you are working through a problem, be it academics in terms of be it reading or be it doing a maths, holding some information as you are going through the processing, or as you are going through the reading or doing the maths, the working memory. So the art has a major role in holding this working memory and help the children to be able to see things from a more broader and abstract perspective. So here we are mainly looking at weekends as a area, and then soon after their exams are done, we have chosen April 17th as the first day of our program, and then we are already keeping the registrations on, and it continues till mid-May, 5 weekends. Especially we are aiming at 3 hours a week, Saturdays and Sundays, 10:30 to 12 o'clock. More details are given in the video in the form of slides, and then mainly the focus will be on giving individual attention to each child, and then we are going to focus only on the small group. Hope this program will be useful for those who are keen on getting into the program, and I wish you all the best, and looking forward for our new batch of third batch and new batch of enthusiastic art lovers. Thank you all.